I just got me some sauce, feel like ooh, wow. And I've been down, I've been frowning for too long. So why the hell I should smile, see by fuck that. So why the hell I should smile, see by fuck that. You got it back, I might write some. And you and it feel like Tyson. And I don't really roll dice on. You're not the type to be gambling. You don't mind cash.
Take food stamps.
This is kind of cute.
Yeah.
Those ladies.
And then Facebook keeps switching things around.
Oh
so
yeah,
like,
absolutely.
I'm really bad with cameras, so.
I know, I'm really bad. I like being in, like, I like using the camera, but I don't like being in the camera. Well, there you go. You should strike a pose now. Beautiful. Beautiful. How's it going?
My dog back at home is Labradoodle.
Oh, I see. They're pretty easy to come by here.
Oh, but like it's hard to adopt them because
Oh.
Labradoodle. Do you know it?
No.
He's like Jimmy Fallon, Jimmy Kimmel,
Oh, okay.
but like he's like a lot more older.
Okay.
He's like.
wanted to jump in really quickly because I was actually editing the vlog for this month in April. And I wanted to say thank you so much for all the people that I met this month. They definitely made April very, very lovely for me. I was traveling quite a bit from Hawaii to New York, and then back to Berkeley and then Portland, and finally now I'm back in Seattle. This is the last weekend for April, and this is the first weekend that I actually spent in Seattle. But yeah, I have lots of really exciting changes that will come ahead probably next month, and I'm very happy about that. I am also most likely going to go to Japan for a family wedding if the visa situation works out. And yeah, I think there's going to be like lots of fun footages and things like that will happen. And thanks for sticking around, thanks for watching the vlog. I hope you guys had fun. I had lots of fun making them. I hope you have a very, very wonderful April, and I'm sure May will be equally as great. So yeah, see ya!